Hey guys, so I know I look a mess right now, but I was not prepared for this video that I'm about to do. But yeah, so I'm gonna do another TikTok video about tortillas, and this is what you're gonna need. So you're gonna need lettuce, chicken nuggets, cheese, and of course your tortilla. So this is my tortilla. I'm gonna cut down the middle. So now it should look like this. And now you're gonna place everything. So I'm going to add the lettuce right here. So before you put on your chicken nuggets, you're actually supposed to warm it up first, but I'm just putting it on just to see how much chicken nuggets can hold. Okay, so it looks like only 3 will be able to hold. So I'm gonna heat up 3. And now we add our cheese. So I'm gonna go heat up my chicken nuggets and then come back to you guys on the next step. Alright, so I heated them up and my stove is on, so it's getting hot. Alright, so now the next step that you want to do is fold it like that. Fold it again. And then fold it one more time. And it should look like this. I'm gonna come off camera to even it out. Okay, so now I waited until my pan got hot and I'm just adding butter. This butter will not come off, you. Alright, so now once you have that, I'm going to place this with the cheese being at the bottom because I want it to melt first so it doesn't spill out. And I'm just gonna, hold it down. I don't really have to, but I'm just gonna leave this on here for a minute. Sometimes I only do it for 30 seconds and then I check on it, but I'm gonna leave it on here for 1 minute and then flip it over. So this is the result. You already know. Let's look at the inside. Ooh. Okay, so this is the one I actually made on camera. You already know the cheese is somewhere in there melted. And I'm so excited to try it. Don't mind how I look. Okay, it's early and I'm not combing my hair. I'm sorry. This tastes just like a chicken wrap from McDonald's, but better. Y'all need to try this. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe.